Mastering apostrophes in English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our series on Grammar Fundamentals. In today's lesson, we are going to focus on a very important punctuation mark in English, the apostrophe. Understanding how and when to use the apostrophe can dramatically improve your writing and reading skills. Let's jump right in. Apostrophes have two primary roles in English grammar. They are used to indicate possession and to show the omission of letters or numbers. For instance, in John's book, the apostrophe indicates that the book belongs to John. And in the contraction, don't, the apostrophe is used to represent the omitted O in do not. When we want to show that something belongs to someone, we use an apostrophe followed by an S. For example, the dog's bone means the bone that belongs to the dog. Note: if the noun is plural and ends in S, you usually just add an apostrophe at the end. For example, the dog's bone means the bone belongs to multiple dogs. Contractions are a way to shorten words by omitting certain letters and replacing them with an apostrophe. For instance, don't is a contraction of do not, and I'm is a contraction of I am. Remember, the apostrophe always goes where the letters have been omitted. A common mistake in using apostrophes is in the formation of plurals. Remember, apostrophes are not used to make words plural. So, it's apples, not apples, when you're referring to more than one apple. Also, be careful with its and its. Its is a possessive pronoun, like his or her, and doesn't need an apostrophe. On the other hand, its is a contraction of it is or it has. And that's a wrap for our lesson on apostrophes. With practice, you'll soon be using apostrophes correctly without a second thought. As always, don't be afraid to revisit this video if you need a refresher. Stay tuned for more lessons in our Grammar Fundamentals series. Happy learning, and see you in our next lesson.